Mark, it's okay to cry.
Very emotional, I know.
Yeah.
Lots of hard work going in here.
Yes.
I know why you're crying. It's like all of the nerves have lifted and now you're just overcome with emotions. Today's brief is to make something that is inspired by global street food. Street food evokes memories. There has to be a reason that this dish is what you want to show us today.
You are all fighting it out for the last 2 semi-final places of this year's competition. Sadly, 2 of you will be going home.
I've got to fry my bananas. I just need to work like the wind now.
I wish I could make it more pretty.
That's it. Stop.
Retired NHS worker Jackie's street food is inspired by Canadian poutine. Pan-roasted duck breast on triple-cooked chips and crispy duck leg, topped with Canadian cheese curd and crispy shallots, served with pickled cucumber, plum ketchup and a duck gravy.
I love what you've done with the chips. They feel like every single individual one is the world's best roast potato. I love the duck, but I especially love the duck leg underneath. I love the plum sauce. There's a depth in there that you're always looking for in gravy. It's just really the greatest poutine that I've ever had.
Perfect duck breast. The skin on the outside and the fat is rendered. It's really crispy and it's beautifully pink. We have beautifully crispy chips. You have some bits of cucumber here with dill, which I find divine, but I just don't get it in any way.
I think that Greg still is maybe puzzled by the entire process.
However, I do appreciate the quality of your cookery.
What I do like about this is the amount of work you did. I think it's well seasoned, and I think it's adventurous and fun.
It's so nice to get, you know, a critic eat your food and say she'd eat it and it was the best poutine she's ever had. I was like, oh my gosh.
Finally, it's fashion designer Mark, whose Korean-inspired deep-fried chicken wings are stuffed with sweet corn, cheddar, mozzarella and burger cheese, served with Japanese-style pickled daikon radish and carrots, wasabi mayonnaise and tonkatsu, a Japanese vegetable sweet and sticky sauce.
I think it's really clever. I really like it. I like the fact I've got salty cheese inside my chicken wings, and the sweet corn and the cheese together is really, really delicious. You've got 2 different sauces on the plate, one which is very, very sweet, one which is quite hot, and the sharpness of the pickle is crazy.
Mark, it's okay to cry.
Very emotional, I know.
Yeah.
Lots of hard work going in here.
Yes.
I think it's a really inventive, very clever dish. I feel bad now, I made you cry.
I know why you're crying. It's like all of the nerves have lifted and now you're just overcome with emotions. I think that all these different elements on a plate, there's like a great eccentricity and energy to the way that you cook. And it makes me feel like I've been around the world, and that's what you're meant to do.
Thank you so much.
I don't get a great deal of cheese. However, crispy coating on the chicken, soft chicken underneath. I'm loving the 2 sauces together. Look, I'm only supposed to be tasting, and I've nibbled my way through nearly all 3 of the chicken wings.
Yeah, I just couldn't control my emotion.
Really good feedback.
Yeah. I don't know what happened, but I just, yeah, explode. Yeah.